Backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up. Ta-da! First, what we're gonna do, please don't mind that mess that's in here. This bag of clothes will be going to donation as soon as I find time to drop it off. My work bag. All right, but first thing first, your boy picked up a handy dandy trunk organizer for the trunk. I was cleaning out my BMW, the E92, and I realized how messy the trunk was. So, new car, no mess, okay? You guys see the brand? Hotter. Hopefully it doesn't take up too much space in here, because we don't got space in this car, bro. Bring it over so you can see it. Damn, I'm sorry guys, there's like no lighting in here. No, I got you a flashlight. So here it is. Just two little compartments. So I can just throw my stuff in there instead of having to just roll around in the back of the trunk. Look, it's not that bad, right? It doesn't take up that much space. See? Now I could put my stuff in there. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, that's not the main purpose why I'm out here in the dark right now. The main purpose is to put this on. We received a package from Hachi Electronics. Found him on the 86 forum. Let's open it up and see what we got. Yo, check this out, bro. My man gave me high chews. Check that out, bro. Strawberry ice cream. What's this one? Candy apple. Let's see what else we got in here. Orange wrapping paper. Boom, this is what we need, boy. Picked up a dash cam. The Viofo, is how you say it? Viofo A119 Mini 2, along with the hardware kit. Okay, so what's special about this whole entire kit is that he retrofitted in a way where this becomes a plug and play straight into the car. All I had to do, well, there's many options. The option I picked is to allow this to connect directly into the active sound. So the fake engine noise that you get pumped through the speakers, I'm gonna disconnect that and connect this in there. And that's how we're gonna power up this dash cam. All right, let's open this up and see what we got in here. Boom, okay. Check out this dash cam. This is my first time getting a dash cam this expensive. Before I just got the Amazon dash cams, bro. This is how it looks. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, that's your dash cam. Set this aside. The manual. We're definitely gonna need that. A sticker. Wow, this is... like I said, I'm surprised because I've never actually got an expensive dash cam before. So like the amount of stuff they actually give you, or the amount of extra stuff they give you, kind of amazing, bro. The last dash cam I picked up didn't even come with the 3M tape, bro. Hey, look, fun fact, you know it's real 3M when you see the 3 and the M next to each other. Let me show you. I have some rep 3M tape. Let me show you real quick. You see this one? You see how the 3 and the M are kind of cut off? Right there? That's when you know you got fake 3M tape. Or maybe this just is on a flat plate and I could just be lying to you guys. So remember how I told you guys earlier how this guy configured the hardware so that it replaces your active sound? This is what he did right here. So this connects into your dash cam. This goes into the active sound little port, and it just powers the camera right up. Alright, let's hop into the car real quick. Oh yeah, we recently hit 1K miles in this car, so you know what that means, right? Break-in period is now over. I kept all these tags right here, all these stickers, and I told myself I would take it off only after the break-in period, and I guess it's that time. There goes the stickers. Well, oh, what is that? Okay, let's take this one out too. Make sure there's nothing in there you guys can steal my identity, ball. What's this? To be removed by customer only. Oh God, this thing is on there. All right. So to get the dash cam hooked up, we're gonna have to take this apart. As this is panel back here, that's where the ACS port is. Unplug that, and then we'll wire up the dash cam. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like I know what I'm doing. So I got Kevin Vo's video pulled up right here. Trying to take this off. I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple, but hey, better save the sorry, bro. Shout out to Kevin Vo, bro. See, this is why we watch a video. I thought we had to take the whole dash off, bro, but we just have to take this off. The little tab right here. Get a plastic pry tool. Good thing that was included with our little package from Hachi Electronics. I saw it earlier. Now I just need to find it. Sorry, I'm looking a little musty right now, bull. It is currently 9:30 at night. Okay, got that thing there. Just pry it up. Oh, and there it goes. Let's put this around so you guys can see this. You guys see that little plug right there? The little white plug? That's the thing we want to unplug. Honestly, I might just take the stash out just so I can get to it easier, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna reach it there. All right, week 2, I'm already destroying my car, bro. Jesus. All right, got the glove part. I had to take the glove box out because I can't reach it to install the new cable. But yeah, let's see where this takes us, bro. And if you're wondering how to take the glove box out, see these tabs right here? There should be tabs right here. All you do is just squeeze it in on both sides, yank the little thingy out of this hole, and boom, it should come right off. Low key, I might be acoustic for real, bro. This ball does not go into the port, it goes into this one, bro. Female, male. Bro, I didn't have to take out the glove compartment. All right, got that connected, push this in. All right. Then we want to take this. Come on now. There we go. Take that off. Now we will just want to snake this all the way up to the top. Just like that. Then we want to pop this open real quick. So you stick that in. Let me move you guys in here. So we're up here right now. I want to get all the way to that corner. There we go. Go along the top there until we get to the center where we're gonna connect our camera. All right, so I got the camera all hooked up right there. I got it running along the top. And then coming down here, and then everything's tucked away inside the little compartment right there. Bro, you can't even tell that it's even installed, bro. The one complaint I saw a lot of people have with these, you guys see that? Right there. That thing, I don't know if they'll annoy me or not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. That does look kind of ugly. All right, everything's hooked up. Testing it out. It looks like it's working, except I can't see anything through that ball. What if I get hit in the dark, bro? But we'll see. I'll have to download the app and see what's going on, bro. Once again, I think I'm a cruise stick, bro. You know why it's so dark? Because there's a little sticker on the back of this camera, bro. Oh my. Look at this. Y'all see this, bro? Oh my. Check it. Yes, sir. We can see now. We can see. Oh, yes, sir. What's cool with having this thing plugged straight into the ACS module is that this thing will continue to record even when the car is parked. So in case I'm parked on the street and one of y'all decides to and hit my car, I will know it's you, bro. I will come for you. Alright, let's stick to the settings real quick because every time this thing starts, bro, it says recording started. Like, bro, I don't need to hear that, bro. So let me see. Voice notification turn off. Voice control. Speed. We're America, bro. America. What you guys think, bro? Look at this. Quality is not bad. Not bad at all. And it's so tiny. I like it. You can barely see if I'm in here, bro. I hate those dash cams where you got the little loopy thing hanging down like this, bro. Come on. Clean up your wires, bro. Alright, let me put this back together and call it a day. Look, you can see. You see my neighbor's dog, bro. That guy's vicious, bro. Alright, let's put the car back together. Alright, put this back. Put this back in. There we go. There we go. Easy peasy, bro. Panel goes back on here. Boom, clean install. That. And we're good to go. Boom. There we go. Hachi's Electronics. Flip that back around. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Again, you guys need a dash cam that already got the wiring set up for you guys. He also has one where it goes into the accessory port behind your glove compartment. He also has the one that goes, the USB one, just a regular one. I chose this one because I was gonna deactivate the active sound either way, so I might as well just do it now. But yeah, clean and installable. Thank you, Hachi, again.